oatmeal, organic, and then I have walnuts, strawberries, blueberries, and a little bit of stevia in there too. So this is what I'm eating for breakfast. Okay, so I just got done training and I'm gonna have lunch in my car. So I wanted to share with you what I'll be eating for lunch. I was supposed to have salmon, but I didn't get any cooked yet. So what I'm gonna do is eat salmon on my next 2 meals at home. Okay, so I have strawberries and raspberries, and then my salad is nice little. So I have 10 almonds, some cranberries, a little bit of goat cheese, and just a mixed salad. And that's going to be my lunch for now, and then I'm just drinking water. And I'll have green tea later. I'll be sharing my next meal soon. Okay. Okay, so this is my next meal, and we've got salmon and a sweet potato, and then the salad that has berries and strawberries at the bottom, and it is a organic Mediterranean crunch chopped kit. I didn't put the strips, the bread strips. And then I've got the green tea, organic green tea. And so that is my next meal, and I'll have one more meal today, and I will share that. Good morning, it's Tuesday morning, and I'm cooking up my first meal. So I wanted to show you what I'm doing for my first meal. And I'm cooking up some onions, asparagus, and mushrooms. So I'm going to fry these up, and then I'm going to add the egg whites. So I'll show you the omelet when I get done with it. Okay, here is my egg white omelet, and this will be my first meal. Well, I'm back home for lunch, and so I was just going to show you real quick my next meal, which is going to be salmon and steamed broccoli. And so let me show you that. So yeah, it's just a little bit of steamed broccoli and some of the salmon that I cooked up the other day. So yeah, that's my lunch meal, and then I'll eat. I've been eating every 2 to 3 hours. And when I weighed myself this morning, I was 133, and I really want to get down to maybe 125, 126. I feel like that's where I look the best and feel the best. So that is my goal, and I'll let you know as I go how it works. Okay, I just cooked my last meal. It's gonna be my dinner, and I will show you that. So here we have a sweet potato, my salad with strawberries and berries, cantaloupe, and salmon. Cantaloupe is really good for your skin, so that's my meal. And it'll be my last meal because this is gonna fill me up, and then I'm gonna have water. Okay, so I'll see you in the morning, and we'll do another day of food share. Okay, bye.